Hello everyone, and welcome! We're so glad to have you here with us today. Today we're going to embark on a journey to cultivate not just thriving plants, but also a sense of joy and peace within ourselves through gardening. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a way to connect with nature and find tranquility in our busy lives. If you want to learn something from this video, don't drag it and watch it from the beginning to the end. Each segment is packed with valuable tips and insights that will help you become a better gardener. Many believe that gardening requires a green thumb or vast outdoor spaces. This misconception often discourages people from starting their own garden. But let me assure you, just as we learned to cherish and organize our homes, we can cultivate beautiful gardens with simple, mindful practices, no matter the size of our space. Whether you have a small balcony or a tiny indoor area, you can create a lush green haven. Together, we will uncover 10 simple yet ingenious gardening hacks that will empower you to nurture your very own green sanctuary. These tips are designed to be easy to follow and highly effective. Let's begin this exciting journey and transform our spaces into vibrant, living paradises. Have you ever thought that your kitchen holds the secret to thriving plants? It does. Those vegetable peels, eggshells, and coffee grounds that we usually discard are filled with life-giving nutrients. Instead of throwing them away, let's give them a new purpose. Imagine transforming these humble scraps into a rich compost that nourishes your garden. It's like giving back to nature while creating a beautiful cycle of growth and renewal. And the best part? It's incredibly easy, saves money, and your plants will thank you for it. Starting seeds doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Remember those egg cartons we carefully cleaned and saved? They're about to spark joy in our gardening journey. These humble cartons with their individual compartments make perfect little pots for starting our seeds. Gently fill each section with seed starting mix, tuck in your seeds, and watch them sprout. This method is not only affordable and effective, but also incredibly satisfying. Each tiny sprout represents the promise of new life and the joy of nurturing something beautiful. Just like we carefully choose the right spot for our belongings, our plants thrive in well-lit areas. But what if your garden has shady spots? Don't worry, we can invite more sunshine. Using simple household items like foil or mirrors, we can create reflectors that redirect sunlight to those neglected corners. Imagine the joy of seeing your plants bask in the warmth of amplified sunlight. It's like creating a sunlit haven for your plants, encouraging them to grow tall and strong. What's your biggest gardening challenge? Comment below. I'd love to help. Chapter 4. Companion Planting. Nature's Teamwork. In our homes, we organize items by category, creating harmony and functionality. Similarly, in our gardens, we can foster beneficial relationships between plants through companion planting. Think of it as nature's version of teamwork. For instance, planting basil alongside tomatoes not only enhances their flavor, but also helps repel pests naturally. Imagine the joy of witnessing this harmonious partnership, where plants support and protect each other. It's like creating a mini ecosystem in your garden, buzzing with life and flavor. Chapter 5. DIY Organic Fertilizer. Just as we nourish our bodies with wholesome food, our plants thrive on natural fertilizers. And guess what? We can create these nutrient-rich boosters right in our kitchens. Remember those banana peels? They're packed with potassium, a vital nutrient for plant growth. Simply soak them in water to create a potent fertilizer that will make your plants happy and healthy. Similarly, coffee grounds, rich in nitrogen, can be sprinkled around your plants to give them an extra boost. It's like offering them a delicious and nutritious treat, promoting vigorous growth and abundant blooms. Chapter 6. Vertical Gardening for Small Spaces. Even if you have a small balcony or patio, you can still create a lush, thriving garden. Just as we maximize space in our homes with clever storage solutions, we can use vertical gardening techniques to grow upwards. Imagine cascading vines tumbling from hanging pots, colorful flowers adorning a trellis, or fresh herbs thriving on a sunny wall. Vertical gardening not only saves space, but also adds a touch of enchantment to any outdoor area. It's like creating a vertical tapestry of greenery, transforming even the smallest spaces into vibrant, life-filled havens. Chapter 7. Pest Control Without Chemicals. Just as we create a clean and inviting atmosphere in our homes, we want our gardens to be havens of peace for both plants and beneficial insects. By fostering a balanced ecosystem, we can naturally manage pests without resorting to harmful chemicals. Instead of harsh chemicals, let's invite nature's pest control. Beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings can be our allies in this endeavor, preying on harmful pests and maintaining the garden's health. Garlic, with its pungent aroma, acts as a natural deterrent to many common garden pests. This simple yet effective method has been used for centuries to protect plants. Simply spray a garlic-infused solution on your plants to keep those unwanted visitors at bay. This solution is easy to make at home and safe for the environment. Marigolds, with their vibrant colors, not only beautify our gardens, but also repel harmful nematodes. Planting them alongside vegetables can create a natural barrier against pests. It's like creating a protective shield of nature's finest, ensuring a healthy and thriving garden. By integrating these natural methods, we can enjoy a bountiful harvest and a beautiful, pest-free garden. Just as we water our bodies regularly, our plants need consistent moisture to thrive. But overwatering can be just as detrimental as underwatering. Let's find a balance. Drip irrigation systems, like lifelines delivering water directly to the roots, are incredibly efficient and prevent water waste. Imagine each drop of water reaching its intended destination, nourishing your plants without any waste. Self-watering pots with their ingenious reservoirs ensure that your plants always have access to the right amount of moisture. It's like having a personal hydration assistant for your plants, promoting healthy growth and reducing water consumption. Just as we use blankets to stay warm and cozy, a layer of mulch acts as a protective blanket for our garden soil. It helps retain moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature. Dry leaves, grass clippings, or straw make excellent mulch materials, readily available and free. Imagine tucking your garden beds in a cozy blanket of organic matter, keeping them cool in summer and warm in winter. Mulching not only benefits your plants, but also reduces the need for frequent watering and weeding. It's like giving your garden a spa treatment, promoting relaxation and effortless growth. Did you know that cinnamon, a beloved spice in our kitchens, can also protect our plants? It's true! Cinnamon possesses natural antifungal properties that can help prevent damping off disease in seedlings. Just a sprinkle of cinnamon on the soil surface can make a world of difference. Imagine this common pantry staple acting as a guardian angel for your delicate seedlings, protecting them from harmful pathogens. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure the health and vitality of your young plants, giving them a strong start in life. As we've discovered, gardening is not just about growing plants. It's about cultivating joy, peace, and a deeper connection with nature. It's a journey that brings us closer to the earth and to ourselves, offering a sense of fulfillment and tranquility. These 10 simple hacks, inspired by the principles of tidying up and mindful living, can transform your gardening experience. By incorporating these tips, you can create a space that is not only productive, but also serene and inviting. Remember the joy of creating nutrient-rich compost from kitchen scraps, turning waste into valuable resources for your garden. It's a rewarding process that benefits both your plants and the environment. The satisfaction of starting seeds in egg cartons, watching them sprout and grow into healthy plants. This simple method is both economical and effective, giving your seedlings a strong start. and the magic of companion planting, where different plants support each other, leading to a more resilient and productive garden. It's nature's way of showing us the power of collaboration. These 10 simple hacks can take your garden from meh to magical. With a little effort and creativity, you can transform your outdoor space into a vibrant oasis. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and spread the joy of gardening. Your support helps us create more content that inspires and educates. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing gardening tips. Let's grow together and build a community of passionate gardeners who learn and thrive together.